Hello everyone, this is SJ123! Back again with their gameplay of Sounds of Her Love. Love? Sounds of Her Love? Let me this chicken. Sound of Her Love. Let's just back it up. So we'll be okay. Let's continue. We'll left off here, and this is the footage was recorded. Well, I was recording. No, it wasn't. Up to you. It would be okay if I win a copy. But one? No, what? I'm lost. Alright, instead. It's been a while since I've done a gameplay, so I remember in the last episode, it has no views. What the heck, fellas? Nothing's okay. So the phone rang as I idly wait for her to pick up.
Hello?
Okay. Oh, dang it.
I'm good. What about you?
Oh, how are you? Hey, Carrie, how are you today? Okay, that's how it is. DSNet. DSNet Pro. DS Sans I like your gaming design. I'm good too. About our trip, we never made any plans, did we?
Oh, I forgot to tell you. I'm sorry.
It's okay, really. Any peculiar day you were planning on going? Okay, I need to get myself get this thing ready and with this part. Okay. With this figure out my position. Hands on the D-pad, mouse pad.
What about Saturday? Is that fine with you?
Yes, that is good. What time should we meet?
Could you meet me where we met on the way to school at 10 a.m.?
Oh, she's going clever on this one. We need to add photo. So anyway. Then Sullivan, here I will meet this one.
I'll lead you there. You just moved here, didn't you?
Yeah, I did. Thanks, Jerry, I appreciate it.
Sorry, I need to go to dinner. I don't think I'll be able to call you back.
Don't worry, Carrie. We'll be meeting on the way to school tomorrow.
That's right. I'll see you then.
That's right. Okay. Bye, Carrie.
Bye.
You know, I'm gonna skip this poem. No, I'm gonna skip all of this. So, you know what? I'm skipping the part when, in the last episode, I'm pretty sure I remember I was doing episode 3. So, I'm gonna skip myself all the way to that as I can. Because I do remember in the last episode, and there was just kind of all dialogue, but I actually played the game ahead. For you guys even know, I actually played the game ahead, so I went ahead to the game. From the think of it, I was way ahead, so sorry you're episode way behind. This is episode 3, we're going all the way to Carrie. Ready? Where's the chirping? Yeah, I mean someone that in town, and that tell you. Okay, pretty sure I remember this. Alright. Yep. I'm not gonna read any of it. Her name is Carried wind, or carry as our people call it. Of course I did. Here we have a carry masonry on side. Oh wow! Jeez. Okay. I don't know why you need to be. Hey, Carrie.
Hello?
How long have you been waiting for?
Oh, not long. Shall we get going then?
Yes, I want to. Well, and is this fun predicament? Wait, Carrie. I have something for you. Okay, I know I'll read that, but I just want to anyway. There's a lot I wanted to, prefer to my parts.
Sorry.
Don't have to. You don't have to apologize.
Can I really have this?
Of course, it's a present. You can keep it.
How did you know I liked this offer?
When they wrote the book you gave me before, it was quite worn. So I assume you read it multiple times. Anyway, once they're done, we wouldn't want to miss the train.
You're right.
Yeah, we just mind our business. And this is the part I left off here. This is pretty much the part I left off. This is the part I left off here. We're going to continue off where we left off here. Boom. I like the character face. And it's going to go silence.
We're almost there.
Yep. Almost.
Sorry.
It's alright, Carrie. Jeez.
Okay. Anyway, we're here now.
Huh, I want to know what the inside will look like.
I preferred the old one. The stonework was pretty. No, this one is good too.
Stone? I'm not sure of stone. Shall we go inside?
Sure. You should have brought your uniform. They give discounts to students.
Oh, shoot. I gotta admit, I think at the ending she moved her glasses and, all that. Just her glasses. Only it. Only the glasses part, but the character. Oh! Okay, the library was neat.
I just want to look around. I probably won't get anything. I have the one you gave me after all.
Found something?
It's a book about gardening. I like flowers, so I thought it would become another hobby.
Oh, she had more than one hobby. What hobbies does she have? So,
We could get going now if you like. I can't find any books that would top the one you gave me. Shall we go then?
yes, let's.
My horoscope said today would be a good day.
Your horoscope? Oh, was it?
It was.
Whoa! Well, that's a little excitement on that one. Okay. When is your birthday anyway, Carrie?
My birthday? September 3rd. I'm a Virgo.
A Virgo. Oh! I saw look at the image. Why look at it with a Virgo. Oh, cover me. So her birthday wasn't even that long ago. Oh, well, happy late birthday.
Thank you.
Belated.
When's yours?
Oh, you guys want to know what it is. 1, 2, 12. Oh, multiple number 12.
Oh, I'll add it to the calendar. What? I don't like having my photo taken.
Come on, you look good in it.
Alright, I'll let you keep it, but only because it's you.
Anyway, is there anything else you like to do? I like this
Anything
game.
else? I'm not sure. Have you got any ideas?
Okay. I'm not getting the good ending. I'm not going to straight home on this one. I'm doing a straight ending. It's a good ending. How about we look around downtown for a bit? I wouldn't want to go home early.
Me neither.
Oh! I ended a straight good ending on this one. Not a bad ending. There's multiple endings I might... Okay, we're on 11 minutes. In music store. Can you play the harp? You can't play the harp, can you?
I'm glad you remember, but I wasn't looking at the harp.
You weren't?
No, that gramophone on the level below it. I've never seen one before.
Oh, remember for that,
The
though.
harp I own, it's much grander than that one.
Harry, it's getting pretty late. Shall we head home?
Okay.
Oh, man. This is a good game. I love the game. I'm loving this game. Also, you should look up the game. I'll call a game called Crush Crush. I'm not to play that on the channel though. It's kind of look crazy. So let's do the character thing.
Would you like to come to my house for dinner?
Oh, the mind I do. See, let's meet to our house. That's pretty wonderful. That's sure. Let me just tell my parents where I'll go. Oh, great. Okay. Hey, where's mom? Where's mom and dad? They're going out for dinner. Oh, crap! Come on! Okay, I didn't mean to do that. I went out. Just don't disturb the neighbors, okay? Alright, whatever. See you later. Shall we go?
Sure. I'll lead the way.
I'm hoping that'll be similar to the house I have in the game. It's oh!
Should we go inside?
Certainly.
Well, we're here.
Well, pretty cute. Oh, the mail voice. I'm messaging on you straight. What? Hey, I got 20 seconds. So, thank you. I remember myself. I'm gonna end this one here, guys. I'm gonna end this one here. I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.